Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Leos. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, guys, and this card is for your career situation, Leos. And today we'll be picking one card for your moon energies. We will leave it here. And one card for your love guidance. So I will leave this card here, guys. And today, one special card for you all, that will be the fortune cookie card. So that will give us a lucky message. Let's see what it is. So if you like this reading, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Leos. So let's start with these cards here for your general energies first. We have Nine of Pentacles in reverse, Ace of Wands, and Ten of Wands in reverse. So, in your circumstances today, Leos, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are trying to do your best, trying to be really good at whatever you do, and you are a devoted person, guys, devoted person. So, you are using your talents and skills and doing things with utmost concentration. But though you are trying hard, there are certain things going against the way you expected. Maybe in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. You are seeing some difficult circumstances coming in your love situation. And you feel really sad or anxious about the way things are going. You don't know what to do or what will be the future of this connection or where things will go. And you feel that your circumstances are challenging you, challenging your limit of patience or challenging your nature. So you're trying to do your best, trying to be really friendly, trying to be really understanding with this person, loving and caring. But your circumstances are definitely challenging you. And for some of you, you may feel that whatever you do, this person is not understanding you, or they are not never going to understand what you truly feel and what you want with them in this love. Maybe you want this person, you love them a lot. That is the reason you are doing so much, sacrifice so much for this person. You have done everything for them, but still they are not understanding you. That is what I see, guys. So, what may be the reason? We will see what is this card we picked for your relationship. And it is Nine of Swords in reverse. So, maybe this person may have a lot of doubts on you. So, it may be your energy or their energy, guys. So maybe they are doing something, or their actions or words may tell you something about them, and you feel that they cannot be trusted or you cannot expect something from them. So, lack of trust and maybe doubts, or you are suspecting something, maybe they are interested in someone else. So, a lot of doubts or suspicions are there on this person, and the reason may be their attitude with you guys. Maybe they lack interest and they do not communicate freely with you. That may be the reason you feel that they are not interested in you, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your career circumstance, guys. So we picked one card. It's Page of Wands in reverse. So in your work situation, maybe, guys, some kind of announcement is coming your way. For most of you, it may be an announcement of a new project or something. But for most of you, I see it may be a negative announcement. Something pointing to some difficulty, maybe some projects may get delayed or suspended, something not going in the right way as expected, guys, Leos. So for your moon energies today, guys, we have one card here. So let's see. Work through your fears. Such an apt card for you all, guys. Maybe whatever you are afraid of today, maybe there is a circumstance coming your way, something that is going to test your abilities. That is what we were talking about with the previous card, something challenging you, guys. So that is what is happening. But you can be happy that this drastic situation is going to change you deeply, and you are going to change for a better person. So if you have any ill feelings towards someone, if you have jealousy, or if you have that grudge against someone, you need to let all that go, guys. Let all that negative things go and move on positively with your life. And these changes are just changing the way you are inside out, and you are going to feel so much better emotionally and spiritually. So with this card, it just means that there are beautiful changes happening, and they are coming very soon, Leos, in your life. So for your love guidance, we picked one card. We will see what it is, guys. It says responsibility. So with this card, it just means that we must be a responsible person. So thoughts are energy, guys. So when we have good thoughts, positive thoughts, we are going to reflect that highest level of compassion and love towards others, towards the people who are there in our life. That way we will be able to do our part in this life. So responsible people live by example and teach others by their life, and they will teach others, inspire others to be like them. So when we have positive good thoughts, that is going to work like a ripple effect, that is going to change the people around us, that is going to make them happy and feel that peace of mind just like us. But when we have hurtful thoughts, negative thoughts, it is going to affect others the same way. So we must end all those negative thoughts right at the beginning, guys, when we start thinking that way. So we must try to elevate our consciousness. That way we will be helping ourselves and also the people who are there with us in our life, Leos. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. So for your fortune cookie, let's see what it is. What is your lucky card for you all today, Leos? Nature. Interact with nature in the outdoors, around animals, farmlands, or by the ocean. This will be good for the soul and healing for you. Such a beautiful apt card for you all today, guys, Leos. So being around things that we love, maybe in natural surroundings, It is going to give us that peace of mind, calmness, and composed nature. It is going to be really meditative. So, that is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.